Have you ever looked up at the sky on a sunny day and wondered, why is it blue? It's a beautiful mystery that many people have tried to understand for a long time. Let's unravel this secret of nature together. Let's start with light. We all know light comes from the sun. But here's a fun fact. Sunlight is actually made up of lots of different colors. These colors are all combined, so to our eyes, it usually looks white. But if you've ever seen a rainbow, you've seen sunlight spread out in all its colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now here's where it gets interesting. The colors of sunlight travel in waves, just like the waves in the sea, but much, much faster. Some light waves, like red and yellow, are longer, while others, like blue and violet, are shorter. When sunlight enters our atmosphere, which is the layer of gases surrounding the Earth, it bumps into lots of tiny particles and gases. Think of it as a crowd at a festival all jostling around. The shorter blue and violet waves scatter in all directions when they hit these tiny things in the atmosphere. This scattering causes the sky to look mostly blue, even though violet is scattered even more because our eyes are more sensitive to blue light and there is not as much violet light. So next time you gaze up at the sky, you'll know that you're actually seeing light waves bouncing around in millions of directions, painting the sky a magnificent blue. On some days, when the sun is rising or setting, you might notice that the sky looks red or orange. This happens because the sun is lower in the sky, and the light has to pass through a lot more air to reach our eyes. This longer journey means even more scattering, so the blue light gets scattered away from our line of sight, and the reds and oranges, which are scattered less, become more prominent for us to see. This beautiful color show in the sky is called Rayleigh scattering. It's named after a scientist named Lord Rayleigh, who helped explain why the sky is blue in the 19th century. So every time you look up and see that blue sky, you can remember there is a whole world of science happening right above us.